If you've been recently named as an executor or administrator of a loved one's estate and you're about to start the probate process, make sure you don't make one or more of the following mistakes. Number one, failure to get an attorney. Probate can be complicated and a draining process. Trying to do it on your own during this type of mourning is an excellent way to get yourself into a lot of trouble. Hiring an experienced estate attorney will not only ensure that you're following the probate process timely, but you're protecting the estate and yourself from big mistakes. You may think you're saving a few bucks trying to do it on your own, but actually, you're breaching your fiduciary duty by opening yourself up to personal liability if you don't know what you're doing. Remember, you can save yourself a lot of time, money, and trouble by getting an attorney from the beginning. Number two, procrastinating before and after qualification. You don't have to start the probate process immediately, but you should start it as soon as possible. The longer you wait, the more problems happen. As time goes by, taxes add up, creditors become pushier, and heirs become impatient. Losing a loved one is impossible to deal with, but sometimes waiting too long to start the process can make things worse. Once you have the qualified executor administrator timeline start, beneficiaries want to be notified, accountings have to be filed, assets have to be inventoried. Number three, not keeping accurate records. As an executor administrator, your number one job is take control of the assets, making sure you know where they are, paying taxes, making distributions, and really making a clear accounting for the beneficiaries. The more detailed you are, the better. When preparing an accounting, many executors and administrators fail to use proper schedules, fail to describe receipts or disbursements, lump sum entries instead of itemizing them, forget to get market values of gains and losses. At the time of an estate settling, all the numbers must make sense. And if not, you'll be before a judge. Number four, communicating with beneficiaries. Nothing creates more problems than failing to communicate with beneficiaries about the probate process. If the beneficiaries start to become anxious or suspicious, the matter can quickly spiral out of control. Especially when everyone is under heavy grief and mourning, communication is key. Please make sure your beneficiaries know what is going on. And it's really a big reason why you should hire a probate attorney to help you. Distributing assets too soon. As an executor or administrator, you have the authority to pay creditors and distribute assets. But sometimes the estate doesn't have enough assets to pay the creditors. When that is the case, you need to prioritize the creditors. And if you fail to follow the law and distribute assets accordingly, you could be personally liable. And there you have it, the top 5 mistakes in probating an estate. Believe it or not, there are more. If you're curious about what to avoid when probating an estate, please make an appointment with our firm by clicking below, and we'd be happy to help you.